Recipes with Iva 7, Delicious Lunches for a Calorie Deficit, Episode 1. Lunch number 1, chicken fillet with zucchini and garlic yogurt sauce. Ingredients: for one serving, 150 grams chicken fillet, skinless, 200 grams zucchini, 5 grams olive oil, 1 teaspoon, salt, black pepper, oregano, 100 grams yogurt, 2% 1 small garlic clove, 2 grams 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Preparation method: prepare the meat, cut the chicken fillet into strips, season with salt, pepper, and oregano. Fry, bake. Heat a pan with a drop of olive oil and cook the chicken for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until golden. Prepare the zucchini. Slice them into thin strips or rounds. Season and grill them in the same pan for about 2 minutes on each side. Make the sauce. In a small bowl, mix the yogurt, pressed garlic, and lemon juice. Serve. Arrange the chicken and zucchini on a plate and drizzle with the sauce. Nutritional value per serving. Calories: 248 kilocalories. Protein: 35 grams. Carbohydrates: 5.2 grams. Fat: 9.5 grams. Suitable for calorie deficit low-carb diet, quick and light lunch. Lunch number 2, rice with chicken and vegetables in a wok. Necessary ingredients for one serving: 70 grams basmati rice, uncooked, 120 grams chicken fillet, skinless, 50 grams carrot, 70 grams broccoli, 50 grams red bell pepper, 5 grams olive oil, 1 teaspoon, 10 milliliters soy sauce, no added sugar, salt, and pepper to taste. Preparation method: cook the rice in salted water until ready, about 12 to 15 minutes. Cut the chicken into small bites and the vegetables into strips. Stir-fry the chicken in a wok or deep pan with olive oil for about 5 minutes until golden. Add the vegetables and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes, keeping them slightly crunchy. Mix with the rice, season with soy sauce, stir, and serve warm. Nutritional value per serving. Calories: 365 kilocalories. Protein: 29 grams. Carbohydrates: 48 grams. Fat: 8 grams. Suitable for calorie deficit with more energy. Post-workout lunch, easy and quick cooking. Lunch number 3, beef steak with sautéed spinach and mushrooms. Necessary ingredients for one serving: 150 grams beef steak, sirloin or tenderloin, 150 grams fresh spinach, 100 grams fresh mushrooms, button, 5 grams olive oil, 1 teaspoon, 1 small clove garlic salt and black pepper to taste, a pinch of rosemary or thyme. Preparation method: prepare the beef, let it sit at room temperature for 20 minutes before cooking, season with salt, pepper, and rosemary. Sear the steak in a well-heated pan with a drop of olive oil. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side for medium rare or longer, depending on preference. Prepare the vegetables. In the same pan, add the garlic, sliced mushrooms, and spinach. Sauté for 3 to 4 minutes until softened. Serve. Place the steak on a plate, add the vegetables on the side, and drizzle lightly with the pan juices. Nutritional value per serving. Calories: 292 kilocalories. Protein: 39 grams. Carbohydrates: 4.5 grams. Fat: 13 grams. Suitable for calorie deficit, low-carb diet. People who want a richer flavor and a more elaborate preparation. Lunch number 4, baked salmon with sweet potato and arugula salad. Necessary ingredients for one serving: 150 grams salmon fillet, 150 grams sweet potato, 1 teaspoon olive oil, 5 grams, 50 grams arugula, 50 grams cherry tomatoes, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, salt and black pepper to taste, a pinch of dried dill or parsley. Preparation method: prepare the sweet potato, peel and cut into cubes, season with half of the olive oil, salt, and pepper. Baking: place the sweet potato on a baking tray lined with parchment paper and bake at 200 degrees Celsius, 392 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 20 minutes. Prepare the salmon. Season with salt, pepper, dill, and lemon juice. Place it on the same tray next to the sweet potatoes and bake for another 12 to 15 minutes. Salad: mix the arugula and cherry tomatoes, drizzle with the remaining olive oil and lemon juice. Serving: place the salmon and sweet potatoes on a plate with the fresh salad on the side. Nutritional value per serving. Calories: 405 kilocalories. protein, 32 grams, carbohydrates, 28 grams, fat, 18 grams. Suitable for calorie deficit with more energy. Easy yet elegant dish, balanced post-workout meal. Lunch number 5, chicken salad with avocado and egg. Necessary ingredients for one serving: 120 grams boiled chicken fillet, 50 grams avocado, 1 boiled egg, 60 grams mixed leafy greens, 50 grams cucumber, 40 grams cherry tomatoes, 1 teaspoon olive oil, 5 grams, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, salt and black pepper to taste. Preparation method: prepare the chicken, boil it in salted water and cut into cubes or shred into strips. Cut the vegetables, dice the cucumber, tomatoes, and avocado. Boil the egg, about 8 to 9 minutes for hard-boiled, peel and cut in halves. Mix in a bowl, combine the greens, chicken, vegetables, and egg. Season, drizzle with olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Nutritional value per serving: calories, 258 kilocalories, protein, 26 grams, carbohydrates, 4.7 grams, fat, 15 grams. Suitable for light lunch in a calorie deficit. Quick preparation in 10 to 15 minutes, low-carb menu. Lunch number 6, whole grain pasta with chicken and vegetables. Necessary ingredients for one serving: 70 grams whole grain pasta, 120 grams chicken fillet, 50 grams broccoli, 50 grams zucchini, 50 grams cherry tomatoes, 5 grams olive oil, 1 teaspoon, 1 clove garlic salt and black pepper, to taste a pinch of basil. Preparation method: cook the pasta in salted water according to the package instructions. Prepare the chicken, cut into cubes, season with salt and pepper, and sear in a pan with olive oil until golden. Add the vegetables: broccoli, zucchini, and halved cherry tomatoes, plus pressed garlic. Cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. Mix with the pasta, drain and add to the pan, stir well, and sprinkle with basil. Serve warm. Nutritional value per serving: calories, 375 kilocalories, protein, 28 grams, carbohydrates, 48 grams, fat, 8 grams. Suitable for calorie deficit with more energy. Easy 20-minute preparation, balanced and filling meal. Lunch number 7, roast beef with asparagus, mushrooms, and balsamic sauce. Necessary ingredients for one serving: 150 grams beef tenderloin, 100 grams asparagus, 80 grams brown mushrooms, button or shiitake, 5 grams olive oil, 1 teaspoon balsamic vinegar, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, sugar-free, 1 clove garlic salt and black pepper to taste, a pinch of rosemary or thyme. Preparation method: prepare the beef, take it out of the fridge 20 minutes before cooking, pat dry, and season with salt, pepper, and rosemary. Sear the meat in a well-heated pan with olive oil. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side for medium rare or longer, depending on your preferred doneness. Sauté the vegetables. In the same pan, add the garlic, mushrooms, and asparagus. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes until softened and golden. Make the sauce. Add the balsamic vinegar and soy sauce. Stir for 30 seconds until slightly thickened and coating the vegetables. Serve. Place the beef on a plate, garnish with the vegetables, and drizzle with the aromatic sauce. Nutritional value per serving: calories, 278 kilocalories, protein, 36 grams, carbohydrates, 5.5 grams, fat, 12 grams. Suitable for calorie deficit, low-carb diet. Gourmet flavor lovers with minimal effort. Thank you for watching until the end. This was episode 1 of the series 7 delicious lunches for a calorie deficit. Stay tuned for episode 2 coming soon. Subscribe so you don't miss the next recipes.